We're playing with the Disney Princess Castle. Yay! What do we have here? We have 8 princesses. Oh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you guess which one they are? Let's start with number 1. Let's see who this is. This is Cinderella. Who's next? Can you guess who the second one is? Let's find out. This is Ariel from Little Mermaid. Good job. Can you guess who the third princess is? Let's find out. This is Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Good job. Now the fourth princess. Who could this be? This is Sleeping Beauty. Alright, we are done with row number 1. How about the second row number 2? Let's find out who the fifth princess is. This is Merida from Brave. How about the sixth princess? Who could this be? Oh, this is Rapunzel with her long hair. How about the seventh princess? Who is that? This is Snow White. Oh, and the last one. Who is that mystery princess? The number 8. This is Jasmine from Aladdin. Let's go ahead and match the colors. Cinderella is wearing blue. A blue dress. Ariel is wearing green dress. Belle from Beauty and the Beast is wearing yellow dress. This one is wearing pink. And this one has red hair. And we're putting red hair. This one is wearing purple dress. And this one is wearing an orange bottom. This one is wearing a darker blue. Now we have all the colors all in one. Yay! Good job, everybody. See you next time.